Sean Diddy Combs' legal situation is becoming more intense than ever, as new developments from his legal team and prosecutors push the case into a whirlwind of heated controversy. From restrictions on using a laptop in jail to the involvement of a top prosecutor from the high-profile Ghislaine Maxwell case, all signs point to Diddy facing a fierce legal battle. Diddy has been in custody since November, but to date, he has not been granted full access to the laptop necessary for preparing his case. According to the latest documents from Diddy's lawyers, the government only allows him to use the laptop during limited hours and in specific locations. This not only disrupts Diddy's ability to work, but also forces him to choose between using the laptop and meeting with his lawyers. Diddy's legal team emphasizes that these restrictions are not applied to any other inmates in the same detention facility. They also argue that the laptop's data does not contain sensitive information related to victims or witnesses, so there is no legitimate reason for imposing these limitations. Another issue raised by Diddy's lawyers is that the MDC, Metropolitan Detention Center, allegedly provided information about Diddy's visitor list to the prosecution team without going through proper legal channels. This could potentially violate the right to confidentiality during legal defense and raises questions about fairness in the handling of the case. Another major shock comes from Diddy's prosecution team recently adding a new member, a prosecutor who previously led the Ghislaine Maxwell case. With extensive experience and a track record that included securing a 20-year sentence for Maxwell, the presence of this prosecutor signals a highly unfavorable turn for Diddy. This move indicates that the prosecution is escalating its strategy to ensure a severe verdict. Recently, a short video from Diddy's court hearing was leaked, raising concerns about its impact on the fairness of the trial. In the footage, Diddy calmly declared not guilty. The leak of federal court proceedings not only violates the law, but could also provide grounds for Diddy's legal team to request the dismissal of certain charges. Despite his vast wealth and a high-priced legal team, Diddy continues to face a series of setbacks. 3 denied bail requests are just one of many notable defeats. Even his efforts to assemble a top-tier legal team have hit obstacles, as some previously hired lawyers are no longer actively involved. The addition of a veteran prosecutor, the restrictions in jail, and controversies surrounding privacy have painted a bleak picture for Diddy. This case is not only a legal battle, but also a significant blow to his image and career. Diddy's situation is becoming increasingly complex, as every move from the prosecution and his defense team has the potential to shift the case's trajectory. This trial is not just about defending Diddy as an individual, but also highlights systemic issues within the legal system, from a defendant's right to access information to ethical concerns over handling sensitive data. Whether Diddy can turn the tide depends entirely on how his legal team responds in the coming days. The latest developments are certain to continue drawing public attention.